Do you need a little more? Are you ready for it? Chinook cocktail. Shake it up, put a little bit in there. Man, I like that stuff. Watch out, fishy fish. Here we come. Another one? How many we got? One. That's one. One plus the we got the. There's Killian. Killian's in a 36-foot boat. That's what it looks like out in the sea here. About 8-10 foot right now. He's gone. Oh, there he is. And he's gone again. Oh, there he is. Killian. Oh, gone. No more Killian. Oh, there he is. Yeah. And he's gone again. Ew. You can see how big the waves are when you get a little perspective, huh? Get a little perspective. We got another boat. There he's gone. pretty big boat. 36 foot. It just disappears in this stuff. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I mean, I guess it's fishable. It'd be a lot more fishable if I had some fish on, right? Yeah, that would make it more fishable. We got some fish. Is young, we just hold out here. Maybe we'll run into a school of them. That's the way it goes. It's real early spring, kind of late winter, early spring. See if we can get something going here. Oh, we got a white king. That's a white king, and this one is feeding on the hooligan smelt, also known as candlefish, because apparently if you dry them out, you can light them and they'll burn like a candle. They got so much oil. You guys, we got this Chinook salmon. It's got the herring head. That's the crippled anchovy head. What that's called, crippled anchovy. And then, look. See, I put a hole right through the nose of the crippled anchovy to slow the roll a little bit. We don't need it to be spinning around quite so fast. We got our brine herring here. Just poke his head in. I usually don't wear gloves, but I was about to clean the fish, so I put the gloves on, and then I got another bite. So it's kind of a small bait for all these hooks, but that's how it works. That's just about how we want that to look there. Right there, like that. Yep. And then we got the blue mirror flash. Real nice. Thank you very much. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Come here. Oh, stuff his little head in my crippled anchovy holder, pin him, and then measure the hook. Goes right there. See where it goes. Tighten it up. Make sure everything's all straight. There it is. Just like that. We're perfecting the rig. It's not perfected yet. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We got our brine, the Chrome Hunter Blue. I love it. Put it in our little box. Add the herring each morning. Shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Get that nice blue color on the bait. Looking good. Looking good.